If you want to create a folder in the app drawer on a Motorola signature, what you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer, of course, and then we're gonna tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner of the app drawer, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose create folder. Now in here at the top we have the folder name field, so you should be able to write the name of the folder. There we go. Then we can choose apps that should be included in that folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose a couple of example apps in here. There we go. And then we're gonna tap on done. Now, as you can see, we have our folder created with all selected apps included inside that folder. You can of course keep adding more apps into the folder if you want to. If you press and hold your finger on an app in the app drawer, you can find this plus over here in a circle. This allows you to choose to which folder you want to move the app. And sometimes you can just simply see the add to folder option. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.